What can I expect when I take the stator case off to fix the screw? If you take your stator case off to fix a stripped out screw, you need to drain the oil first. The other thing you do is RTFM, read the fucking manual. There's a whole process on how to remove the stator case properly without damaging anything inside. You will also need to get a new gasket. Do not, I repeat, do not use silicone shit on the gasket surfaces. I don't know why my phone is trying to focus in and out. I apologize, guys. Don't use anything but the freaking gaskets. Just get a gasket from Honda. You can find them on eBay. You can find them on Amazon. But the stator case cover, the stator cover gasket is very important that you replace that. So make sure you get all the old material off. But the manual outlines the entire process of how to do that whole thing.